see what's inside. Oh shit. Oh my god, focus. Oh my god, bro. Bro. This has got to be the best custom bracelet. You got the GR. Bam, bro. Cover. Yo. Hold up. Oh my god. Dude, what's up with this? It's calmed off. Oh my gosh. That is beautiful. I don't know if you can see. It's gonna be this clear, but I hate these condoms. I also don't want to damage it either. Like, fuck. You know, it's just nice and heavy. Like, it's a really decent weight. So, you know, that's good quality. You know, we only some of the best qualities out here. Don't get me wrong. But I'm also thinking of making, like, belts. But, like, we have this, like, cubic zircon. Alright. Yo. Oh my. Dude. Oh, get shit out of here. Alright, ready? Drop test. Oh, that's good quality, baby. That is what I'm talking about. Fuck. Can you see that? Made this out of 925 silver, same with the back plating. So 925 silver. And now we have the VVS D color moissanite. But I mean, nowadays, does that really matter? Anyways, it's a stamp. Shit. I see it. Oh my god, I'm stupid. Hold on. I'm slow. Hold on. Bro, am I retarded? Fucking focus. Alright, well. Anyways, it says 92. S95. Silver, baby. So, you know. I actually bought this. We decided to make this when the silver crashed. At first crash. So, yeah. Let me know what you think. Should we drop these? I'm thinking of keeping the size with 7 millimeters. And inch. I'm thinking between 7 inches to 10 inches. You know, for all you big boys with a big wrist. I got baby wrist, so. Anyways. It is a chain. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah. It's supposed to be stainless steel with moissanite. I don't think that's moissanite. I'm gonna tell you right now. Here's the drop test. Listen to that first. Yeah, shitty. Alright. Did you hear that? Whew. Now let's talk about ours. Ours is made out of pure 925 silver. Even the backplate. It's 925 silver. And it's got real VVS D color moissanite. Here's a closer look. Yeah. And ours is heavier because it is real silver. Right? And here's the drop test. Oh, I'm sure you can hear the difference. And mine's just a bracelet. This is a 6.5 inch bracelet. So it's a lot smaller. We are going to offer between 7 inches to 9 inches. That's the sizes that I'm thinking of. If any of you guys wear a size 10 inch bracelet, you know. But I do want to make this into a chain as well. So you can get a matching chain. Alright, drop test one more time. Yep. It's so much better. And this shines so much better than the light. Let's get both for comparison. And this is with the natural light as well. No flash. Just sunlight from my window. Can you see the difference? Dude, and this one tangles up so easily. Like, I'm sitting there just trying to, like, untangle it. It's a hassle. Ours don't tangle. Like, it is crunching up all you want. This one on the other hand. Alright, yeah, I guess it looks decent. Here's the comparison. It's super hard to tell. I'm not photography, and I'm literally just on YouTube as well. Don't hate, you know. Hold on. See the difference? I guess hard to tell. Let's do a magnet test. Okay. I got a super good magnet here. And I'm gonna test it out. Alright, well, only the lobster claw clasp, but that's normal. And let's do ours. Yeah, not even the clasps. Look at that. Nothing. Real silver. Let me flip it back for you. Show you the back. Look. And then just to prove this is an actual magnet, I'm gonna get a coin. Alright, I got a nickel for all my Canadians up there. Alright. Try that again. So the only thing that's stainless steel would be lobster. Barely. It has like a little trace of it. Ours has no. Real silver. Pure 925 silver. We even have a little stamp to prove it. Whereas this one, it has no stamp. There is nothing on it. And this catches my gloves so easily. It does it with my shirt too. Like, this chain is so nice for the price. Right? I mean, I can confidently say 65%. This is probably like CZ, bro. Like, there's no shine to it. Yeah, flashlight. Ah, I guess it's hard to see. Look at that. Mine at the top compared to, I'm not saying the name. You see? This is what real VVS decoy motion looks like. Right? This, they claim to be VVS. But dude, look at the shine. It's not hidden. You know what I mean? Look at this. Yeah, you get the point, right? Yeah, I'm just gonna say, sometimes do your research, look at reviews. Unfortunately for me, I don't have any reviews because we haven't dropped this yet. So, it's just a little test. You know, the next test I might do is the face test, so I've heard, because silver does conjunction heat, and, you know, things still doesn't. So we'll do a test. If this sticks to the ice, it's silver. Trust me. If this doesn't stick, then it's not silver. Got my Wu-Tang scale right here. I'm gonna turn that bitch on. Alright, you see the number is 0. We're gonna do the chain first from XX company. I'm not gonna say the company name again, right? Y'all remember the chain. I'm gonna put this bitch on. Can you read that? It says 18.74 gram for the chain. Take this bitch off. And now we're gonna do the Grab Tech bracelet. All ready? Bam, son. 33.64. That shit heavy. That shit real. That shit gold. Yeah, son. Take a look at this shit again. Ooh, little sparky. Look at the shine on it. We're gonna open for pre-orders March 20th, 2026. Y'all better save up. Y'all better get ready. Y'all better look fly. All right? There you have it. I guess with silver. This is silver plated. Our only store in the office. We have our stamp. And I forget the 90 stamp. This doesn't have stamp. Also, another thing. This is super cold after the ice. This one, it's not that cold though. That's the thing. This is cold.